Man, oh man. What is today? Today's Saturday, right? I think so. Today is Saturday. What is up, y'all? It is Saturday and we are in beautiful Florida. Well, technically it's not beautiful right now. It's actually raining, but it's all good. Tropical storm passed through down south and then kind of like touched up here a little bit. But it hasn't been too bad up here, thank God. So we've been trying to do some work in the garage, get some stuff done. I'm actually swapping out the carpet in the SC. If you know SCs, you should know that one, to find a black interior is hard if you have a tan interior, and then if you do find a black interior, 9 times out of 10 the black interior is shot. Next thing is finding black carpet in decent condition is hard as hell. So the first time I found black carpet was actually when I went to Georgia, and it was a guy selling black carpet online. It was like, I think he said $100 for it. And on the way back, I didn't pick it up, so I fumbled a bag on that one. $100 for black carpet for SC is cheap. I was tight, mad as hell, because I caught COVID. And once I caught COVID, went to the hospital, and it's a long story. But he ended up throwing the carpet away, and then there goes that. Yeah, fumbled the bag. So the other day, this one dude told me, posted online saying he has black carpet, and I asked him the price. Most of the times, people are selling black carpet for $280 to $300, and that's sometimes before shipping. This dude said he has black carpet, and he was like, "Yo, I got black carpet." So how much? He said black carpet and the center console trim for $300 shipped. I was like, sold, because one, finding a decent black carpet is hard. Two, finding that black trim along as well as hard, and the price was just perfect to get both of them here shipped to the door, and now I'm gonna install it. So I kind of taking stuff apart. Let me show you real quick. My gimbal's acting really weird, but there we go. So the seat's already loose. So it's 4 bolts, one right there, one over here. You can't see it, but you have one right here, and you have one on the side. I already took the back seat. As you can see, the back seat's already up. And right now I'm working on that seat over there. So I'm gonna pull those 2 seats out. I have to take these 2 screws out, the center console right here, and then pull the trim off right here, and also there. Pull that up, and then the carpet should be able to fold out without any issues. I actually need to do this piece right here too while I'm at it, since I'm already here. There we go. All right, and that's it. And then I should just, actually it falls underneath here, so I'm going to take this up too. But this carpet is hella old, got cigarette burns and all types of jazz on it, so it's time to go. Time to go for that carpet. I would like to find black door panels if I can. If I don't, it's all good. And I thought I had some black seats locked in, but I don't, so tan seats for now. I'm not really tripping about that. But the black carpet was one of the big things I wanted to do, mainly because this tan carpet is hella old. It's dirty, it's dingy, it needs to go. It's stained and it just doesn't look good. Black carpet's the way to go, hands down. So I'm gonna finish taking the other seat out and then the center trim, and then once I finish doing that, I'm gonna bring the carpet from outside inside here and start putting that together. So that's the plan for right now. Also, I'm gonna show you my other little project I've been working on. One second, open the garage door. So I actually bought interior from a friend of mine to start putting this GS back. Already have the tail lights. I have not brand new headlights, but OEM headlights to go on it. And I started putting the interior back together. It was bare before. It had a bunch of stuff inside. I already cleared all of it out. But right now I'm sitting this inside here. Already put black carpet in here. Got a black seat right there. Black door panels right there. And then the dash. I just mocked up the dash right now. I have to get I forgot what it's called. It's called it's an actuator, the AC actuator for the AC, because I took it out to put it in the other car. So once I get that AC actuator, I'll put that in, and then I could place the dash in instead of just mocking it up. So that way that will be in permanently. Let me show you a quick little hack, y'all. So if you guys are shipping anything, right, and if it's big and bulky, and you want to save some money, ship through Greyhound. Yes, Greyhound. Greyhound is the way to ship, man. Greyhound, I think carpet shipped with everything was like and 20 bucks. Not bad. It came to me, no issues. I still didn't check to see if the center console's inside there, but I'm just gonna pray and hope it is. If it's not, I'm gonna have to hit that dude up and ask him WTF. But that's the carpet right there. I actually need to take it out and make sure it's clean, but I don't want to do that just yet. I don't want to crowd my just yet, because I still have to take the seats out and put the seats in a place where I could still work around them. But that right now is what we're doing. So I'm gonna take the other seat out and get back to work on this carpet. Yo, all right, seats are out. Start taking some of the trim off. You can see some of it here. So with this trim, I had to pull this off first. It goes in here like so. So I just pried this up, and you have 2 screws. Well, actually 4 screws. You have 1 screw right here, 1 screw right here, and 2 screws. No, another screw right here, another screw right here. So then all is 4 screws. Once you do that, you should just be able to pull it out from the top and then pull it all the way out. And right now, I have the center console piece loosened up, and it's supposed to be pulled out now. So you can see right here, the carpet, hella dirty. Look at that. From 96 till now, OEM carpet, super dirty. Big ass stain over there. I'm not sure where that's from. That's before I had the car. One thing I don't have that I'm assuming the dude kept is these tabs on this right here. I don't have these, so I'm gonna have to reuse these and reuse the caps that it came with. These right here. Probably gonna paint these black, see how it goes. I'm actually gonna paint it black right now. Hopefully it dry by the time I'm supposed to use it. But yeah, so that's where we at right now. I'm gonna pull this out right quick. Then after that, the carpet should come right out, and then I'm gonna slide a new carpet in. I actually took the new carpet out, and just to give a quick, everything was good with it, and everything seems good with it so far. It's hella dirty, but vacuum it up. Probably do like a spot clean on the whole thing, like a little stain right there, stain over here, and then this piece right here, I'm just gonna take. I have like this spray. I'm gonna spray that and make it look brand new again. And what else? Besides, that's really it. This needs like a nice little spot clean to come new again. I'm hoping that this could come up with just a rag. That's what it looks like. And this too. It's like little stains here and there. Nothing crazy. So rag should do those perfectly fine. Rag with some water, and then spray that. Spray those the foot areas to make those look brand new again, and pop it right in. So that's the hole right here. It's supposed to be a cap right here that I didn't get. That's one thing that I needed that I didn't get. Kind of sucks, but it's all good. Make it work. Make it work as much as possible. So let me go here, the carpet, pull it out, and then put a new carpet in. Well, clean the new carpet first, then put it in. So almost done so far. Just gotta pull the old carpet out, clean up inside, clean up new carpet, put it inside, and put everything back together. So see you guys in a bit. All right, so you can see the carpet. Still working on it. It actually looks bad compared to in person, on camera compared to in person. But this side is almost done. I still have a vacuum up there. I'm working on this side right now. As you can see, the area that was real light before looks really good, and then there was like really bad dirt right here. Right, I just went ahead and sprayed it with some all-purpose cleaner, and I just vacuum it up, and it cleaned out really well. So working on that area over there, and hopefully I should be done with it in a little bit. I'm hoping it'll dry pretty soon. Also, I went ahead and spray painted the poles, these 2 poles right here, also the caps. You see right here. So it's not the best, but these won't be seen like that. Just need to be black. And then as far as these, I have a feeling that these are gonna get rubbed out from the seat belt, but I'd rather them be black now than it not be black and me hate the way it looks once I put it in. So just working on the carpet. Old carpet's out. Here's the old carpet right here. Bam. And I'm gonna show you the interior of the car, what it looks like right now. Everything is still in shambles. There you go. I think the car used to be green before. I have a feeling that's the color it used to be. I thought it was tan, but after like looking at it closer, I think it used to be green. Could be wrong though, could be wrong. So I'm gonna actually come inside here and vacuum all this dirt out just to give it a nice little clean, and then start putting everything back in, and we should be good to go. Whoa man, finally freaking done. Check it out. Well, I still gotta put that seat in, but I'm not worried about that right now. This seat was a bitch to get in because that bolt right there was stripped, so I have to fuck with that later. But besides that, I mean, definitely a great upgrade. Yeah, I'm excited about it. Now I can find a black seat. Black seats are back here. I think once I find that, that will be like the tipping point for interior. But overall, happy with the outcome. About to go to this car show real quick, support the homies, say what's up real quick, and then call it a wrap for the day. So I might put that car show in this video, I might not. If anything, if I don't put it in this video, I might put it in the next video. All depends how I feel when I get there. But yo, I want to thank you guys as usual for watching. If you haven't already, please go ahead and subscribe. Once again, it is your boy Dan, aka Swerve Lord. Please come out to our show. It's going to be in July 16th to be exact. Make sure you follow our Instagram, at Swerve Us on Instagram, and please also follow our TikTok. Should be the same thing, I think, but whatever. All right, so till next time guys, peace.